I'll show you some different licks. We're going to be mostly using the Aeolian scales in different positions on the neck. So let's go check it out right now. The next chord in this chorus or bridge part is the B minor 7. Okay, and here we're going to play this. I pick with my pick, and then with I use my ring finger to pick the B string. We are on D9 and we are on B7. Next one, we move up 2 frets. Okay, now we're on D7 and B5. Next, we're going to change a little bit. We're now on D4 and B3. So lick 6 is when the progression of the chorus or bridge segment goes to D9 and E minor 7. And the lick goes, a very familiar lick. Okay, so to do this, we're going to bar the E and the B string on the 5th fret, and we bend the 7th fret G string. Okay, so we go bend twice the B and E string. We do this twice, then we slide to G9 and B8. And then a harmonic on the high E string, 12th fret. And that's it for the whole tune. If you made it this far in the video, I assume you enjoyed this lesson. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell. Thank you.